Welcome, this is Bart with Metis Design, and we want to take a couple minutes to show you another project today. This one's called H&S Technical Services, and in this particular case their old website is still up on another domain, and so we're able to kind of give you a better look at what their old website looked like. It's quite dated, and that's one of the reasons they contact us in the first place, with lots of content kind of thrown here and there, and not really much of a stylish or logical flow to it. But because the site's still up, we can show you what it looks like on some mobile devices. And so here's what the site would look like on a smartphone, typical 320 width smartphone. And you can see this is one of the things that happens when you take a typical site and throw it on a smartphone. It either gets, you just get one corner of it, or in some cases you get it all shrunk down. And even on an iPad in portrait mode, we get some of the content, but some of the stuff is getting cut off. And so hence the need for a responsive site. So that's what their old site looks like. Here's what their new one looks like. Again, we've upgraded quite a few things and made it much more stylish, much more reader friendly. The owners really liked the Windows 8 tile look, and so the navigation reflects that. And so you can see these Windows 8 style tiles along the top. There's some social links and things like that on the bottom that weren't there before. Some real upfront and very easy to use contact tools so that you can call and email and get in touch with this company very easily. And then of course the fun thing is when you start getting into some of the mobile devices. In this particular case, we kept the tile navigation because that continues to work really well on, for instance, an iPad in landscape mode, or even one in portrait mode. All the same tools are still there. We made the bottom buttons, this was the side navigation, to make those a little bit easier to use by making them larger buttons along the bottom, but all the content is still very much here. And then even when you get down to the smartphone, we can stay with the tiles because they're very conducive to a smartphone. And even when you get down to the very smallest, we can still make that work really well for a mobile device. All the content is still there. You can still see everything, and you don't miss out on any of the content on this rather beautiful site. So anyway, a unique way to handle navigation, different than what we've done on some of our other projects where we've switched out the navigation. The tiling that the owner really liked here made it easy to keep some of those elements and still have a really nice looking site. So we'd be happy to build something like this for you and your website. Please get in touch with us if you'd like by email at info@metisdesigngroup.com. Give us a call. That number is 269-1010 with a 480 area code, or stop by the website at metisdesigngroup.com, and there's a couple different ways you can get in touch with us there. Send us a little note and we'll tell you what we can do to help you on your site. Anyway, thank you very much and have a great day.